Hi guys, welcome to Tech channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can make a employee satisfactory form in Canva. So let's go to the browser first, then just right here Canva and search it to Google. Log into your Canva account with ID and password. After login, you will find here a search bar. Just click and write employee satisfactory form and press enter. After pressing enter, you will find many forms like this, but you have to find one, the employee satisfactory form. So here find one, I guess, employee survey. You can choose this one, employee satisfactory survey. This one too, employee evaluation form. You can choose this one, employee satisfaction survey. If you like this form, now just continue with customize this form, and I'm going to show you how you can customize every portion. If you want to make it zoom, just click on Control and up scroll. It will zoom like this. Now you can see here employee satisfactory form survey. Here's the name. If you want to write the name with pen and pencil, then you have to download this form and print out, then you can write it here with pen or pencil. But if you want to write it digitally, then I'm going to show you how. Just double click on the box, then you will find a cursor is blinking. Then you can write here the employee name. If you think white is not good color for you, then you can change it. Just going here text color, and you'll find many colors. I'm choosing black. Same black. 25. What inspires to be the most successful every day? You can write here what actually inspires you. Okay, so same thing. Another thing you can do is you can just double click and you can remove this question by clicking on backspace, and you can add here your own question if you want to add any. Okay, like any custom question you want to add. You are not good with this question, what the most important thing you do about your job. Then if you want to delete this, just double click and backspace, and you can write here. Okay guys, so simple. And if you good with this question, then it's good. You can write here the answer in the box. So sometime box doesn't work, so one thing you can do is going text, click on this, add a heading or subheading. It will be the middle. Then you have to make it and drag it with the box. Just double click and write why you scam, or what was the question here. Just write your answers. Okay, simple thing as like always. Okay, so if you don't like this picture, if you want to delete this, just click on backspace. If you want to add a real picture here, go here uploads. First you have to go elements, then you have to choose a frame, then you will find many frames. Just choose one, resize it, and you can add here a picture. How? Just going upload a file from computer, like I'm uploading this picture. See this picture uploaded here. It's almost uploaded. I'm choosing this one and fit it here. Okay, so simple. Again, one thing you can do is you can change the background color of this form. If you don't like this, just click on this and go here background color. You find many colors like blue, gray, orange, any color you can choose, that's up to you. So after completing work, how you can download it? Go here share, you'll find download, click on download. Then you have to choose the file type and start downloading here. Okay, you can send this work direct via mail to. How? Just going share, people, collaboration link, people with anyone with the link, and you have to write here in the box the email address whom you want to share with @gmail.com. Now if I click on send, this whole work will be sent to that email address. Okay guys, so this is how you can make an employee satisfaction survey or form in Canva. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.